Hi, this is Moritz from the Alby team. So in the long term, the Bitcoin price is rising, right? But there are also times in bear markets, for example, when there's more volatility of the price. And then the question is how you can actually benefit from that. And that's why in this video, I'm going to show you how you can buy and sell Bitcoin futures and options with the help of an AI agent, almost directly out of your own Lightning wallet. So what we need for that is a Lightning wallet. In this case, we use Alby Hub. You need an account on a trading platform like LNMarkets and an AI agent. In this case, we use Claude. But you can also use Goose, for example, or Windsurf, and many other AI agents that support the MCP protocol. So as a first step, because we want to minimize the custodial risk with these trading platforms, we want the AI agent to instantly deposit, but also withdraw when we trade on these platforms. So that's why we need to connect our own wallet to an AI agent. And in this case, for Claude, we are on the Pro plan. We go to the settings, and there they have these connectors features. And then we want to add a custom connector. So in my case, it's my Alby Hub. All right, then we need this remote MCP server URL. Let's go to my hub. The cool thing about Alby Hub is that it lets you quite easily connect to a bunch of different apps, right, with one click. And that's why also there's now a Claude app directly in the App Store. So we can select that and create the connection. I'm using Claude Desktop, so that's why I copy this URL. And I go back here, paste that, and edit. So now my hub is connected. And let's go and test it. Alby Hub. Right, I can see my balance here. It's 407,000 sats. Let's have a look into my hub quickly. Yes, that looks good. So now we connected the wallet, and to do that, we use the protocol called MCP, and in particularly the Alby MCP server, which serves as a connector. And it actually works with any other Lightning wallet that supports the Nostr Wallet Connect protocol. You can check that out on nwc.dev. All right, and in the same way, we also are going to connect the LNMarkets platform to the AI agent. And we use the LNMarkets MCP server, and it's also equally straightforward. You add your API credential, which you can collect from LNMarkets, and then you generate this MCP link. You'll find your API credentials when you create an account on LNMarkets here directly in your profile under API. Then you only need to paste this in and generate the MCP link. You copy that one, and in the same way we connected the wallet, we also can connect the LNMarket trading platform. All right, I already did that. You will find the instructions also in the show notes. Let's see what's my balance on LNMarkets. Right, it says that I've currently 2,244 sats on LNMarkets. Let's see if I can actually increase that number a little bit. Please deposit another 250 sats from my Alby up to LNMarkets. So first, the agent is creating a new deposit on LNMarkets, which basically means creating an invoice, which is then passed on to my Alby Hub. And here now my Hub is going to pay it. And in that way, I'm going to deposit these 250 sats. All right, here we go. So the Alby Hub balance was reduced accordingly. And I have now 250 sats more. Let's double check quickly how it looks on LNMarkets. Yes, here we go, almost 2,500. All right, so we basically now deposited, and as a next step, let's see if we can also trade using the AI agent here. Buy $1 futures without leverage. So because we expect the price go up in the future, see, creates a market buy order on LNMarkets for us. All right, here we see the summary of the trade, and let's double check on LNMarkets quickly. And here we also see the open trade. Okay, so assuming the price went up, let's close this position again. Wonderful, that worked. We also successfully closed the position again, and we see the final P&L. And now as a next step, to reduce the custodial risk, we want to immediately withdraw the money again into our own wallet. So for LNMarkets, the minimum withdrawal is 1,000 sats. So let's do that. Okay, so first it gets an invoice from my Alby hub, passes it to LNMarkets, and they create a withdrawal on their side. Here we go, the withdrawal was successful. So that's already super exciting, right? So you've seen how you can connect a wallet, how you can deposit sats on a trading platform with natural language and open and close trades with an AI agent, and then directly send the profit back into your own wallet. And that was made possible by the Alby Bitcoin Payments MCP server, which also lets you connect basically any wallet that supports Nostr Wallet Connect, which is nwc.dev, to an AI agent, and also the LNMarkets MCP server. But imagine if you can, for example, feed macroeconomic data or some other trading data to the AI agent and automate the trading behavior. So yeah, exciting times. Really curious what you can come up with here, and happy trading.